6 malicious packages have been discovered distributing information stealers on developer PCs in yet another effort aimed at the Python package index, PyPI, repository. Between December 22 and December 31, 2022, Phylum found the now deleted packages, which include Pyrologen, Easy Timestamp, Discorder, Discord Dev, Style, Py, and Python styles. Running the pip install command is sufficient to start the malware deployment process since the harmful code is hidden in the setup script, setup Py, of these libraries, which is a trend that is becoming more common. The virus is made to run a PowerShell script that obtains a zip archive file, install intrusive dependencies like pinput, pydirectinput, and PyScreenshot, and run an extracted Visual Basic script to run more PowerShell code. In a technical study released this week, Phylum stated that these libraries allow one to manage and monitor mouse and keyboard input and record screen information. The malicious software may also gather data from the Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Microsoft Edge, Brave, Opera, Opera GX, and Vivaldi browsers, including cookies, passwords stored, and cryptocurrency wallet information. However, the assault also tries to download and install Cloudflare, a command line tool for Cloudflare Tunnel, which provides a safe means to link your resources to Cloudflare without a publicly routable IP address. This is a unique tactic used by the threat actor. In a word, the plan is to use the tunnel to remotely access the hacked system using a Flask-based app that contains the ZRAT Trojan, but codenamed PowerOt by Phylum. The infection gives the threat actor the ability to execute arbitrary Python code, download and run remote files on the host, exfiltrate files and whole directories, conduct shell commands, and more. The Flask application also has a live functionality that makes use of JavaScript to take snapshots of the system and listen to mouse and keyboard click events in order to gather any sensitive data input by the victim. Phylum said, "This animal is like a rat on steroids. It contains a decent online GUI, a basic remote desktop feature, all the essential rat functions, and a stealer to boot." The results offer yet another glimpse into the way attackers' strategies for launching supply chain assaults against open source package repositories are constantly developing. Late last month, Phylum also revealed a number of malicious NPM modules that had been discovered stealing installed systems environment variables.